Doug Thompson here, and we're in the shop, and I have a client that wants me to replicate these two parts. This one slides back and forth on this one. So I've got to make this fairly precise little 3 bends, 1, 2, 3, right? So I've made some tooling to match this all up. So here is the bottom tool, and here is the top tool. And I'm going to bend this hot. The first thing I have to do is fishtail the ends. These ends I think were stamped, but I'm going to fishtail them. And then I'll put them back in the forge, and then I'll go ahead and press it, and we'll be able to get this moved in one fell swoop.